Hello and welcome. My name is Luis Rodriguez Perez, and I'm the PL for my senior design team. Today I will be discussing to you our electric motor design software that we will build for the use of PowerTech. A brief background on PowerTech. PowerTech is a company that designs and manufactures their own DC electric motors for their own clients. This time around, PowerTech is now the client, and we will be building a software program that will facilitate the designing process of their DC electric motors. The program will be coded in Python and it will feature the ability of having a self-updating database with current up-to-date motor designs. It will have three program options, such as viewing any existing motor design from the database, editing an existing design while updating and predicting the potential performance outputs for that design, and lastly, the option to create a new design from scratch using PowerTech's industry standard formulas for calculating these performance outputs. Also, some other basic functions as saving, exporting, and printing any window that is needed. Figure 1 depicts a condensed flowchart of the program's three options, and you can view those for your own. Lastly, a user manual will be included for user navigation and troubleshooting when using the program. Our program has been split up into three phases: the viewing, the editing, and the create phases. Currently, we have accomplished a majority of phase 1, which includes the database that was created, which consists of 85 different motor designs from PowerTech's database that have over 165 parameters and all the useful information PowerTech needs to have for each design. Figure 2 depicts the database used in phase 1. 2, we have created the login window that will be used for distinction of restrictions for a super user or a normal user. And figure 3 shows the login window we have developed. Lastly, we have developed the specification sheet that each motor design will have. Figure 4 depicts that window and how it will look when values are generated into it. For our future work, we plan on allowing PowerTech to test phase 1 of the program while we receive useful feedback and continue working on phase 2 of the program. Phase 2 consists on the addition of the remainder of motor designs that need to be implemented into the database, developing the graphing feature for visualization purposes of certain desired performance measurements such as current versus time, horsepower versus time graphs, etc., and continuously working on the ability to edit the specification sheet as a super user and for the graphs to auto-populate on their own. This concludes our brief overview and progress of our senior design project. Thank you for listening.